I'm here with Nick Ross at the Samsung stand, and we are standing in front of a very impressive vehicle. Could you tell us more about that, Nick?
We're very lucky to have been lent an electric vehicle by the Met Police this year. This is their new BMW i3, part of their Cleaner London programme. And inside it, we're demonstrating Samsung's ESN in-vehicle solution, which is running a PSLT solution based on our handheld device, which is the ESN handheld device, with a bit of signal boosting capability, which means we can extend the cell edge all across the UK, making sure that those critical calls get through into vehicles also.
So in those rural areas that would still have that signal and connection?
Exactly. Proof of concept currently, but we've been testing it in the rural areas, up on the Welsh border, and also in some urban areas, and it's worked really well. Findings have been good and very encouraging.
So this is your newest thing to the show this year. Have you anything else that you'd like to show us and tell us about?
Yeah, we've got a load of things that we're talking to customers about this year. So we've got Samsung DeX over in the middle of our stand. This is a really innovative solution allowing police, fire and ambulance operators to get all their back office systems, I'll just wander around to the other side of the console, straight from their mobile device without having to use, for example, a Windows PC. So they take their standard smartphone, which they're carrying for the mobile applications. They simply drop it into the DeX dock, and all they need is a keyboard, mouse, and a monitor, and they're able to get all their desktop solutions via VMware, for example, on the screen, meaning they don't need a Windows hot desk. They can set up policing hubs in libraries or schools without any infrastructure. Once they go out on the beat, they simply take the device up, their security and all their applications go with them.
Very impressive.
It's good. Yeah, there's a lot of interest from UK law enforcement with this solution. Also, we've got Samsung Flip, which is our new display product, which has been designed for education. We're going to be running some demos on here, showing how it's really easy to do digital briefing. I've been in some police briefings before. You have the sergeant standing in front of a wall. He's got loads of post-its and printouts, and he's drawing all over the place with a whiteboard. You can simply rotate this into the orientation that you want. You can draw on it with the stylus, and you can have digital content, movie clips, videos, annotations on mapping, and simply when the guys are getting in their vehicles to go and do the job, the team leader captures it and sends it to the mobile devices of his team, so they can review the job on the way to doing it.
So, for instance, you could have a video, a Google Maps, and a section to write there, and everything can be displayed at the same time.
Right. Any digital content you can pull from the internet or your systems can be displayed on the screen.
Okay, yes, this is very impressive as well. So this is your second time at the show, you told me a little earlier. So obviously it was very successful last year. So tell us why you're back here today.
We're quite new in the world of public safety. BAPCO is the main event for us. You get all the right people in the room over 2 days and you have the best conversation. So it was really successful for us last year. It's our main user base is in the UK, obviously, for Samsung UK. We're in close partnership with the Home Office, which is on the stand next door, talking about the Emergency Services Network, and also with the other ESN partners like Motorola and EE, who we're working very closely with, trying to deliver the programme.
Okay, well, there is lots to interact with here at the Samsung stand, so make sure you come and have a look and have a talk to Nick, and I'm going to do that right now. Thanks.